Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be your own boss, to create something out of nothing, to start your own business? Imagine the thrill of taking a simple idea, nurturing it, and watching it bloom into a thriving enterprise. That's the heart of entrepreneurship. It's not just about making money, but about creating value, solving problems, and making a positive impact on the world. But of course, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Entrepreneurship is a journey full of challenges and obstacles. It requires a certain mindset, a blend of creativity, resilience, and an unrelenting drive to succeed. It's about taking risks, facing failures, and yet never backing down. Why do people choose this path? Some are driven by passion, others by the desire for freedom, and some are just born problem solvers. Starting a business is an adventure filled with highs and lows, but the rewards can be immense. So, you've decided to take the leap and start your own business. But where do you start? Well, the journey to entrepreneurship begins with a solid understanding of your market. That's right. Market research is the first step. It's about identifying your target customers, understanding their needs and wants, and figuring out how your product or service can fill a gap in the market. This is where you get to channel your inner detective, digging deep into demographics, trends, and competitors. Next up is the business plan. Think of it as your business's blueprint. This document will outline your business goals, the strategies you plan to implement, your marketing and sales plan, and financial projections. It's not just a tool for attracting investors, but a roadmap to guide you through your entrepreneurial journey. Now let's talk money. Funding your business can seem daunting, but remember, there are numerous routes to explore. From bootstrapping, where you fund your business using your own personal resources, to seeking investors or applying for loans. It's all about finding what works best for your business model and risk tolerance. And of course, we can't forget about the legal aspects. This includes deciding on a business structure, registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and understanding your tax obligations. It might seem tedious, but trust us, you'll thank yourself later. Lastly, but certainly not least, is assembling your team. Whether you're a solopreneur or building a startup with a team, remember that the people you surround yourself with can make or break your business. Seek out individuals who share your vision and complement your skills. So, there you have it, a blueprint to kickstart your business journey, from market research and business planning to funding, legalities, and team building. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to entrepreneurship. It's a journey filled with trials and triumphs, but with careful planning and execution, you can navigate the entrepreneurial seas with confidence. Remember, the key to a successful business lies in careful planning and execution. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to bring your vision to life. Let's talk about the importance of a strong brand. Your brand is not just your logo or your company name, it's the entirety of your customer's experience. It's the emotions that your business evokes. It's your company's personality. Next, let's discuss your website. In today's digital world, your website is your storefront. It's the first impression potential customers will have of your business. It should be well designed, easy to navigate, and reflect your brand's identity. Then there's marketing. Effective marketing strategies can help spread the word about your business, attract potential customers, and ultimately drive growth. It's all about creativity and innovation. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, to set your business apart from the crowd. Remember, your brand is your promise to your customer. Make sure it's a promise worth keeping. Starting a business can be a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be. We believe in the power of community, and we've created a vibrant, supportive network of go-getters just like you. Our entrepreneurial community is a dynamic space filled with individuals who are on the same path, facing similar challenges and celebrating similar victories. By liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing, you're not just consuming content. You're becoming part of a thriving ecosystem of entrepreneurs. Engage in dynamic conversations, share your insights, learn from others' experiences, and grow alongside fellow trailblazers. Our community is a treasure trove of wisdom, inspiration, and practical tips. It's a place where you can find guidance when you're lost, encouragement when you're down, and celebration when you triumph. Join our entrepreneurial community today, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Remember, success is better when shared.